In the upcoming 7 days, starting today, I will publish a short meditation course on this channel. The course is for beginners and masters because the essence of a good meditation course is that it's timeless and that it's applicable for any stage of development. Wherever you are in your development of your consciousness, these meditation practices that I will present to you in these 7 days are always applicable and will always move you closer to yourself, move you closer to presence, present moment, to the source of your own consciousness. So I invite you to join in and do these practices for the next 7 days. It's only 20 minutes per day, so it's very short, but you can apply these techniques throughout the day. So the meditation doesn't need to stop after the 20 minutes. It's just kind of the initiation of the meditation for the day, and then you can practice the meditation throughout the day whenever you have the space for it. After the 7 days, you will have an inventory of meditation practices from which you can choose the one that worked best for you. And with those, you can go on and you can work with them throughout the course of the unfoldment of your current life situation. In these times that we are in, it's very important that we keep reconnecting ourselves to the present moment, to the immediate, direct reality that is currently here and now, because there's so much confusion, so much uncertainty, and so much just emotions and difficulties that are displayed outside of you, especially in the media, in which we can easily get lost and we can easily go on a binge down the rabbit hole into conspiracy theories, which currently seem to become more real. But nonetheless, even if that is the case or not, it doesn't matter. You need to stay connected with yourself, with your core essence, because from there, whatever is happening in your life, whatever is unfolding for you, is informed by the place you're currently resting in, the place of your consciousness, that is your base consciousness, is the place from which your life is playing out. So in meditation we move deeper, we move into a place which is undisturbed from the outer storm, the outer whirlwind of realities that we are currently experiencing, and we move into a place of peace and rest from which we can act in the world. So in that matter, in that sense, I invite you to do these practices and see for yourself what they do for you and how they help you to get a different relationship with your direct, immediate experience, and see how they work in your life, how they start to change your perception, your state of awareness, your feeling. hope you're well and safe. And I would like to hear your feedback, your comments on the course, and just whatever wants to be expressed is welcome. Have a good day.